One of the greatest days of my life when I was a teenager was when my goatee finally connected. I had enough hair to make the perfect goatee. Hi everyone, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com, and today we're talking all things about facial hair, namely getting rid of it and how, well, most of us use a razor, but we're going to be taking a review of the Panasonic shaver. This is a battery-powered, cordless, electric shaver that you could use virtually anywhere. Heck, I could use it right now. I'll just use it right now. Look. Literally, you could use it whenever you want to shave. You could do it in the shower, or you could do it at your desk while you're filming a YouTube video. But does it work? Folks, that's the whole point of this video. So, sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, and cue in that intro. Let's begin with the design of the Panasonic shaver. The body is actually made out of plastic. It has this rubber grip on the back, has a power button on the front, and also this kind of LED display that will show you the battery life of the shaver. It takes about an hour to charge, and you're going to get about 50 minutes of use. In the event that you need a quick shave and the battery's dead, a 3-minute charge should give you enough juice for a quick shave. Now, what's really cool is it also has a trimmer on the back, and this you can activate by pressing this little button up, and then the trimmer gets locked in place. And this is great for trimming your sideburns, even trimming your beard. If you got a bit of a beard and you want to go clean shaven, you would want to use this, especially around your goatee area, just because you have more hair density, or typically guys do, in that area. Get that down before you use the actual razor itself. Speaking of the razor itself, it actually has this outer foil, and then you can open it up with these two buttons on the side to see the actual inner razors. And this allows you to clean it very easily after every shave, because you could run this under the water. You can even open it up, kind of just tap out all of that unnecessary hair. There are several different types of modes because the head is flexible. It'll move and follow the contours of your shape of your face. So as you are going, it will kind of adjust, but there is also a lock button on the back that allows you to lock it in place in the event that you want it to stay static. In terms of the way that you're supposed to shave with this, like I said, you can use it in the shower. You could use it with shaving gel, so you can lather yourself right up like you would before using a razor, but then use this instead. And you know what? It's not that bad. It actually is pretty cool to use with shaving cream and getting it wet, because it's got this watertight seal, so you don't have to worry about this short circuiting in the shower. Now, in terms of the shave, it takes a while. If you use a razor all the time, this takes a little bit of getting used to, because you're just so used to the razor, but you can use some of that muscle memory when you're doing this. Namely, when you shave, you want to, I learned this from experience now, is to try to get a tight feeling with your skin. So you could use your other hand to really push your stuff to get that tightness, and then you can go ahead and shave up. I found that to be the best way. What you don't want to do is kind of go sideways like this, like wherever you want. It's really not designed for that use. You're supposed to go against kind of the grain of the hair, which is usually just up and down motions. So this is fine. Don't be like going all crazy like that. It's really not designed for that. Now, what do I think about this? Well, I really like the technology, and the one technology that really impressed me was their beard sensing technology. Essentially, what this does is, as you are shaving 2,000 times a second, it's detecting the density of your beard and adjusting the power accordingly. So say around your chin area, and just like right over here, it's going to go faster because it can feel that there's more hair here. So the power is going to go up to be able to cut it. However, in your upper cheek area, where most guys don't have very much hair, the power will go down. The whole point of this is to reduce the irritation on your skin, because that was my big worry about these kind of electric shavers, is this is going to rip my skin up, and you're going to like start breaking out or getting those like razor bumps. I didn't have that experience with this. And I think a lot of it has to do with that beard sensing technology, that it's adjusting so you're not irritating your skin any more than you need to cut it off. I definitely recommend using this with like a lather, your shaving gels or whatever, just because that'll help reduce the irritation. The actual blades themselves will have to be replaced. I don't know why I can't talk today. They will have to be replaced. The outer one gets replaced every year, and I think the inner one every 2 years. So it's not like you're just going to not have to like pay for any other additional accessories, and this will work for like 5 years. Basically, every year you're going to want to do and get the replacement parts to make sure you keep it sharp. That kind of turns me off, because the whole point of wanting to buy one of these is so I don't have to buy a razor again. But they haven't designed it to be able to just kind of keep working, or there's a way where you can sharpen it yourself. That would be a game changer. That would be freaking awesome. Imagine you never had to buy razors again. You could buy one device and you could use this for like 5 years until it, I don't know, the battery dies out. That would be really, really cool. Unfortunately, it's not the case with one of these. Another issue that I had, and this is like straight up real talk. I'm not the type, like this, like look at my freaking logo. I usually have a beard, okay? I'm not used to going clean shaven. In fact, I had a beard before this baby came into my house. And then I was like, oh, guess the beard's going off. So this is really designed for people who want to be clean shaven, like no mustache, no nothing, no hair on your face. Something like this is going to appeal to you. For me, I usually have some type of hair around, at least like a 5 o'clock shadow. There's at least a 5 o'clock shadow. That perfectly like baby face. It's just not, honestly, I don't think it suits my face. I really don't. I think I should have a little bit of hair, facial hair, even like a little small beard. So the problems that I had with this, especially, was like right around my mustache area. Think about it. How am I trying to get this thing to cut the hair that's right underneath my nose there? And there's like a lot of density there. So then I used the trimmer, but the trimmer's like vibrating, and then it was like tickling the area, and it was like quite uncomfortable. So even this device, I would still need a razor just to get that little area. That alone, folks, would turn me off on this, because again, I want a little bit of a mustache, maybe a little goatee. And this, you know, even it's really made to just cover everything. It's like a freaking lawnmower for your face, you know, and it's just made to just take everything out. So if you want that kind of control, see with the razor, you know, it's like an instrument, and you can, it's like your face is like a canvas, you know, and you can like, and it's like art. Shaving's an art. With this, it's just like destruction, terror, mayhem. Just go take everything off in the quickest, most efficient way possible. So if y'all trying to be like perfectly clean shaven, or just, you know, you want to shave while you're driving, or just whenever you feel like it, something like this is definitely for you. Me, here's my canvas. I'm an artist. I need my tool, which is usually the ARC3 razor, and then some other little portable disposable one where I can do the fine trimming. I think I'm going to stick with that. But, you know, for the neck, I do like this for that quick thing. So I'm going to grow a beard again. Maybe I'll try this just for the neck area, because when I grow a beard, I did that once. It was crazy, man. The beard was getting huge. Everything was growing. It was crazy. But I usually cut right up to the jawline. So I think I'm going to try that with this. Grow a beard. The next couple of videos y'all see, the beard's coming back. I almost changed my logo because I was like, what's going on? Am I going to stay like this or not? But I figured the beard's coming back. It's a little gray, salt and pepper. That's all right. Maybe I'll look smart. Well, that's all the time we have. I don't know, man. Just keep freaking talking. That's all the time we have left, folks. I hope you like this review of the Panasonic shaver. Like I said, if you want to be a completely clean-shaven person, something like this is going to be cool. If you got a lot of hair under your nose, this is going to really be hard to shave with it. And the razor or the trimmer part is going to tickle that. So you might still want to have yourself a razor on hand, just in case, for any kind of fine tuning. Once again, my name is Andy Baryer. If you like this video, Smash that like button. Subscribe to this channel. If you have any comments, you can leave them below. I always respond to everything. I heard that helps the algorithm, so I'm going to do it every time. You make a comment, you're all going to hear back from me. Once again, Andy Baryer. Make sure you go to my website, Handy Andy Media. We'll see you again next time. Bye for now.